Hi everybody, it is about 4:30 p.m. March 6th, 2014, Tuesday, and it's about 84 degrees out here. Today is a good day to do a startup HVAC tour, of my Guardian air conditioner. We're going to put the TF1 on my neighbor's thing. Zoom in. Let me see what you guys are seeing. Alright, that should be good. I'll be back when I go to the Alright, and it's on. It's got A.O. Smith fan motor. It's the A.O. Smith fan motor. This is the line set. Cold and sweaty. Disconnect hooks. Of course, there's the York, which is getting old. And there's the neighbor's unit. Now, before my camera stops, let's look at the data sheet. Model number is GCGD48S21S1A. Serial number WOL7346505. This one just turned on. So, take a look at it. Might as well. Zoom in on the compressor. I don't know if you guys can see the compressor or not. Bird poop. Got a Bristol. Now, before my camera shuts off and their disconnect box is open, I would go up to it and open it, but don't want to get yelled at by them. And yes, this is my beautiful neighborhood, which obviously my neighbors do not take care of their yards, as you can tell. Well, most people on my street do. For your convenience, let me zoom in on my street name. Still can't really see it. I believe I live on Bryce Canyon. I could be wrong. And there's the newspaper. So now we're going to go up to the attic. Alright, and this stupid door is locked, so we're going to have to go back here. Yes, I did just hit my head on that bush. Don't make fun of me. I'm just trying to hurry this up. Alright, get my Gatorade. Close up the garage door. And yes, here's the thermostat. Airtron 78. And yes, I got a bunch of stuff in my hands. Here's all your controls. Airtron. Alright. Since Ryan's not here, I know all you guys know how he is with me taking videos. We are going to go and take a look up in the attic, which whenever he is here, he always closes it up, as you guys know. So, he's not here today. I don't know exactly where he is. Again, I'll do another tour of my upstairs unit at a later time. Yes, there's my BlackBerry, which is charging right now. Let's go up here and take a look. Yes, I am kind of short. We're just going to take a quick look up here so that the heat doesn't come in. Alright. Open that up. And we'll climb up here real quick, and then we're going to go shut the unit off. We got York furnaces. Yes, I took some videos of them this summer. Maintained by Airtron. York. We're going to have to get the flashlight if we actually want to see here. This one's got the same brand plate. Let's get a focus. There we go. This is for the upstairs. That's the downstairs. These are the original furnaces. There's the line sets. Zoom in on the downstairs one. And now, before my camera stops, we're going to go shut it off. I am using the Sony DSC TF1. Excuse this for just a second. You know what? Let me just put the camera down so you guys have... Oh, God. I hope I didn't get my face on camera. Alright. So you guys don't see a bunch of shaking. I'll fix that ottoman after I get done doing this little video. So now we're gonna go shut it off. Oh, here's Muffin. Well, no one loved her. Okay. Alright, this is... Okay. There we go. My hands are just too sweaty right now. Alright, put the camera right here again. Zoom in on it. I'm going to shut it off. So, that was my first HVAC tour. So, that is about it.